Hi, welcome to Cute Things by Rebecca. I am Rebecca, and today we are going to make the small lotion holder. I have updated this file, so I'm going to show you how to do the update. You ever run across something that you've made in the past, and then you're looking at it and thinking, oh, this could be better? This was one of them. So I went ahead and updated it to what I think is a better version. So if you purchased this before, you will see the new files in your downloads. Just go and download the updated files. I will keep the older ones up, but for this one you'll want to download the updated files. The update on this is that a couple of different things. You will now have a curve here. You will have an additional step which will give you the cutting line. So when you're cutting this out, you can cut your curve just perfectly. And you'll have additional stitches here at the ends. So it looks like that. So the original one doesn't have that, and this pokes out, you know, a little too far. Not that your lotion is gonna, you know, fall out. With the original, I just think this one's better. So like I said, it's just one more additional step on the machine to make this happen. Also with the snap tab version, it's just a little bit taller, so your lotion fits. The eyelet version, it's still the same because I need it to be 4x4 friendly. So the lotion still fits, it just sticks out at the top, which is not a big deal. The placement step now has a line for your pocket. So if you didn't follow the directions that were with the original, and you may have put your pocket up a little higher, it's going to get sewn shut. So hopefully the little placement lines will alleviate that, but you can definitely place your pocket anywhere you want. So let's get started. The first step on the machine is the placement step. Here is your placement step, and I forgot to mention the supplies at the beginning of this video. So what you want to do is grab either 2 or 3 pieces of scrap vinyl, and if you're going to line it, I chose to use Olifun. It's thin and it keeps the bulk down, but you can use 3 layers of vinyl. I would just choose that centered layer, a thin one, and some snaps if you're using the snap tab version, or in a keyring, whatever you'd like. So now that our placement step is on, what you want to do right now is either put your vinyl piece there or your lining piece. I'm going to do the lining, so I'm going to tape that on. And then place your front piece of vinyl however you like it. Just make sure it covers the entire placement step, and run that next step. Okay, so now that is secure. So the next and last step on the machine is for your pocket. So what you want to do is you can line up with the placement steps right here, or anywhere below those. Just keep it below this line because it's going to restitch all that. So I'm going to put mine right about there. Don't forget to secure it with tape since we're on the back, and run that last step. Okay, we are all finished. So just remove from your hoop, clean up your stabilizer, and trim. I know this part is boring, but I thought it'd be quicker. But I'm not. Okay, so now just add your snaps. You can add your, you can do it like this, attach the tab to itself, or you can put it down lower to secure the lotion in there if you want. It's up to you. Personal preference as always. I put some tape on there. Let's see if I can get it off. There we go. So I will clean this up later. So I'm going to just go ahead and poke my hole there, and I'll probably just poke it in my center, poke it there. So I will add my snaps and finish my project. And that's all. That is it. And it's a better product, I think, a better design with this. It's more finished looking with the additional steps on the front. And I just think it looks better. So there you have it, the updated version. Thanks for watching.